Have you ever seen a cloud follow someone? Well, something amazing happened a long, long time ago in the hot desert. This is the story of a special boy named Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the miraculous cloud that protected him. When Muhammad was just a young boy, about 9 years old, he lived in the city of Makkah. His kind uncle Abu Talib was a merchant who traveled far and wide to trade goods. One day, Abu Talib was preparing for a long journey to a place called Syria. Young Muhammad really wanted to go with him. At first, his uncle wasn't sure, but when he saw how much the boy wanted to join, he agreed to take him along. The caravan set off into the vast desert. Camels carried heavy loads, and the travelers walked for many days under the blazing sun. The desert was so hot that the sand seemed to shimmer like waves of water. But then something miraculous happened. A small white cloud appeared in the bright blue sky. And this wasn't just any cloud. This cloud began to follow young Muhammad wherever he went. As the caravan moved forward, the cloud moved with them. When they stopped to rest, the cloud stopped too, always staying right above Muhammad's head, giving him cool shade from the burning sun. The other travelers were amazed. They had never seen anything like this before. A cloud that followed a person, it was truly a miracle. After many days of travel, the caravan finally reached Syria. They stopped near a monastery where a wise Christian monk named Bahira lived. Bahira had spent his whole life studying ancient books and scriptures. From his window, Bahira noticed something extraordinary. He saw the caravan approaching, and above it, he saw the miraculous cloud hovering over one particular person. Bahira's heart filled with wonder. He had read in the old scriptures about signs that would appear with a special prophet. Could this be one of those signs? The kind monk invited the entire caravan to share a meal with him. When everyone gathered, Bahira looked carefully at each person, searching for the one the cloud had been following. Then he saw him, young Muhammad, with his honest eyes and gentle manner. Bahira asked Abu Talib if he could speak with the boy. When Bahira met Muhammad, he noticed something else amazing. Between the boy's shoulders there was a special mark, just as the ancient books had described. This was the seal of prophethood. Bahira's eyes filled with tears of joy. He knew this young boy was destined for something great. He turned to Abu Talib and said, "Take great care of this child. Protect him well, for he is very special and will have an important role to play." Abu Talib promised to guard his nephew carefully. The caravan soon returned to Makkah, and the miraculous cloud had served its purpose, showing everyone that young Muhammad was under divine protection. This beautiful story teaches us that even when Muhammad was just a child, Allah was watching over him and protecting him. The cloud was a sign of the amazing things that would come later in his life. And that, dear friends, is the story of the miraculous cloud. Remember, Allah protects those who are special to him, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, grew up to become the final prophet, bringing messages of peace, kindness, and love to the whole world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories.